Are you seeing the TeraCopy Library DLL missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. Before we begin the walkthrough for TeraCopy Library, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the TeraCopy Library, the TeraCopy Shell Extension. This library manages the unmanaged orchestration of high-speed file transfers by bypassing the standard Windows Explorer copy engine. It facilitates checksum verification and asynchronous data link management within the shell. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. This error is usually caused by corruption in Windows system files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and execute sfc/scan now to scan and restore protected files like TeraCopy Library DLL. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the TeraCopy library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If the restart didn't help the program find the file, we need to manually register the DLL pointer in the registry. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32, followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rely on a pointer in the registry. If the program can't find that pointer, it doesn't matter if the file exists, it won't load. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. A critical reminder, modifying TeraCopy Library DLL manually is dangerous. Without a verified installation source, you risk overriding essential files that your hardware depends on for basic functionality and security. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. The repair utility linked in the description provides structured information on managing TeraCopy library and system health. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for TeraCopy library today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.